Dear viewers, I welcome you back to my platform. This video is for the student to choose their career after 12th science. Yes, we often remain confused to choose further courses after 12th. Dear viewers, keep in mind, there is no courses which guarantee your success. Before choosing your course, you need to self-introspect yourself. आपको ये पता लगाना है कि आप कौन सी चीज़ में एक्सेल हो। हर एक कोर्सेस में अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, बट यू नीड टू नो हु यू आर। आपका स्किल क्या है, खुद आपको ये पता लगाना होगा कि आपके अंदर क्या स्किल है। यू मे चूज एनी कोर्सेज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन। In this video, I have listed some of the courses for both PCB and PCM students. First comes doctors. आपने PCB ले ली तो आपका डॉक्टर बनना होगा, नीट क्रैक करना होगा, एम्स क्रैक करना होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। इट इज़ ए बिगेस्ट myth. There are still many options for the science students other than doctors. You may opt for BSc in psychology. In these upcoming days, India needs a good number of psychologists. People all around are stressed and depressed, so we are in demand of a good number of psychologists. You may go for BCA, Bachelor in Computer and Application. With the increase in the number of internet users and e-commerce, there is a huge demand of this course in the market. You may go for BSc in Agriculture, BSc in Fishery, BSc in Zoology, Botany, Biochemistry, Chemistry, and many other subjects. And those who are interested in pharmaceutical science can go for B Pharma, Bachelor in Pharmacy, or else D Pharma, Diploma in Pharmacy. Government has introduced many new courses in the education system. A student may go for BSc Ed. This is an integrated course of 4 years. A student may opt for integrated BSc MSc, integrated BA LLB to be a lawyer. There is a great demand of good advocate in India. A student may also go for BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. This is a course of duration 3 years. There is a very good scope in fashion designing. To get admission in this course, you have to crack the entrance of National Institute of Fashion Designing NIFT or National Institute of Designing NID. This is a course of 4 years durations. For the PCM student, you may go for engineering, BTech, Bachelor in Technology, or BE. To get admission in this course, you have to crack the entrance JEE, Joint Entrance Examination. There are also state level entrance exam for admission in this course. You may also look for private colleges to take admission in these courses. You may also go for Bachelor of Architecture, CA, Chartered Accountant, BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, BCom, Bachelor in Commerce. Yes, you heard right. BCom, BBA could be possible even from the science stream also. So guys, before choosing your courses, first self-introspect yourself. For any further queries, please feel free to email me at selfintrospection786@gmail.com. Thanks for your precious time. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications.